Welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. We just came from Cebu and we just meet one of our subscriber here in the port of Itafe.
Fans in YouTube. Healthy. My bag. Because fans and YouTube.
Taga-asa ka, ma'am?
Butuan.
Asa Mindanao?
Butuan.
Asa nagdapita, ma'am?
Bisaya, Agusan del Norte.
Agusan del Norte. Nag-usap ka rin sa Bohol, ma'am?
I have a business with my foreigner partner.
She has. Where's your foreigner now?
Over there. My foreigner. Okay, hello, B. Picture. So ugly now. Oh, ugly, super. Filipina.
She's calling her foreigner over. And her foreigner has been running. Kasi nga si ba naman?
Come here. Take a picture. Ay, YouTube. Ayan. Filipina.
Hi.
Okay, hello.
Yeah.
Remembrance.
Frenchie?
Yeah.
You want big you?
Yes, finish.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
English?
Ay, yes.
Yeah, English.
Okay, thank you
Bye-bye.
so much.
Yeah, so the riding also ocean shot going to Cebu. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Where is Nanay now? Have a good day and God bless.